Covishield, Covaxin, and now Sputnik. Everyone is talking about them in India, but delve deeper and you will find that half a dozen vaccines are in the pipeline in India. Sneha Murdani with this report.
2 vaccines have been rolled out, Covaxin and Covishield. But by the end of this year and early next year, India will have half a dozen vaccines against COVID-19. The advantage? Reduced prices and reduction in the gap between demand and supply. Serum Institute of India is making Covishield, AstraZeneca's vaccine. But did you know that Covaxin is another vaccine that Serum is making? Right now, the phase 2-3 bridging studies of this vaccine is on in India. US biotechnology company Novavax's protein-based COVID-19 vaccine is being locally manufactured and the production has begun. After Novavax gets approvals abroad with efficacy trials, it is expected that Serum would too move in for the same. The rollout time of Covaxin is 2 to 3 months. Doses to be manufactured is expected to be to the tune of 20 crore by December. Genova Biopharmaceuticals, another company, is working on India's first mRNA COVID-19 vaccine. It is in the middle of the phase 1 trials of this vaccine. It's called AGC019 and it covers 120 volunteers in the trials. Genova has been granted 250 crores by the government to develop India's first mRNA vaccine. The rollout time of India's first mRNA vaccine is early next year. Bharat Biotech's nasal vaccine, developed by the same company that has made Covaxin, could be a game changer. The vaccine candidate is currently under phase 1 trials. The rollout time of this vaccine is end of this year. 10 crore doses will be procured by the centre. Zydus Cadila in Gujarat is making an intradermal vaccine, Zycov-D. It is based on the DNA platform and the company is expected to provide 5 crore doses by year-end. The rollout time of the vaccine is expected in a month's time. The company is set to apply for emergency use authorization. Zydus Cadila also says that their vaccine is being tested on children.
We are finished majority of the recruitment. The recruitment holds very important milestones in terms of cohorts because we have obviously the elderly and the comorbid people, but also children between the ages of 12 to 18. So once we are able to get an event data, which we hope which will happen in the middle of May, we should then immediately be able to apply for emergency use.
Biological E's Corbevax is undergoing phase 3 trials. The government of India has said it would make an advance payment of 1,500 crores to Hyderabad-based Biological E to reserve 30 crore doses. The rollout time is August. At least 7.5 crore doses will be made available by September. 30 crore doses of Corbevax will be made available by the end of this year. 6 Indian companies will now make Russia's Sputnik V.
The current price that has been announced is for the imported vaccine. We have the India manufactured vaccine available. The prices will be different. So I believe that in a steady state over the next 4 to 5 months, we will have 6 manufacturers making Sputnik in India. And on a steady state, we should be able to produce about 20 to 25 million per month.
Indian companies are also looking at using India's manufacturing capabilities to ramp up production of foreign-made vaccines via tech transfer. India prides itself in being the pharmacy to the world. Right now, it appears that for this year, the plans are right on track to augment India's supply to boost up production for the much-needed vaccines against COVID-19. But a lot is going to depend and have an impact on India's plans. New variants, mutating variants, for example, and also new challenges like infections in children. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani.